today.
Hello there, Bo.
Hello. Hello.
What a dinner today.
Hello.
It's sad. We got stuck in traffic and we made the wrong
Hi.
Everything's
Oh,
back to the
hi,
80s. Yeah,
baby.
so when you
Hi,
go,
baby.
yeah.
Hi.
Hello,
Buddy. Hello.
Yeah. Everybody.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
No, the other brother. Nope, black also on there.
Oh. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi.
Area, their household was the same thing that, different areas, times of the year.
Hi, baby. Hello. Happy spot. Hi, Bo. So Marley. Hi, Bo. You're such a good boy. He's being so good. Such a good boy. He's laying down.
Good.
Aw, cutie. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yay, we're home, Bo. Yeah, is this your new home? Come on. Come on. You ready to see your sister? You're gonna get to see your sister. He did very well in the car. He whined a bit when he had to go potty, which was good because he told us, and he actually enjoyed his cage to take a nap. And he also cuddled in my lap most of the time, which was so cute. Yeah, is this your big yard? Is this your big yard, buddy? Is this your big yard? Yes, it is. It's your big yard. Big yard, yes. Oh, good boy. You so excited? You're gonna see your sister. You don't even know she exists yet, and she doesn't know you exist. So that's the fun part. Oh, cutie. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, look at that little tail wagging. Oh. You like circling me? Don't tie me up in my... No, don't tie me up in my... Oh, you like the yard. And this is just one little bit of it. You got a big yard. Hey boy, you're eating the grass. Oh, you're so cute. You're such a good boy, Bo. Yes, you are. Good boy. Oh, you goofy little thing. Hello. Is that your happy spot? Gabby!
Take him off his leash. Probably dogs don't want to let him get away if he wants.
Oh, I think there's still a little white spot on his head.
It's his little heart.
Oh, Bo, is that your sister? Gabby, that's your brother. That's your brother. Yeah. Oh, Bo, is that your sister?
Oh.
Yeah, smells dick, Gabs.
Oh. There, she's trembling. She's so excited.
Gabby?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you get a little brother. Yeah, it's your little brother.
Oh.
Oh, hi, baby. Hello. Hi, Bo. Hi, Bo. Hi, Bo. Hello. Hi, Bo. How are you? Do you like the rabbit? I think so.
It doesn't even squeak anymore.
Oh.
He likes soft.
You vlogging this? Are you gonna put it on YouTube? Yes. He's got his YouTube channel. He's got. Go get it. Go this way. Oh. Boop. No, no bite.
Let me get a picture.
Are you hugging my foot? Don't hump me. No, don't hump me, please. That was your first hump session and it was on me? Really? I thought we were cool.
Gabby, back off. Oh, you're okay. Come on.
Come on, Bo.
Okay. Now I'll show you. I mean, check it
Good
out.
boy. It's your new
Checking it
home.
out.
It's your new home.
Let
Yes.
me see if I can get him up here.
No.
Now?
I just want him to explore. Yeah. Good boy, Bo.
Show his bed.
Bo, come here. Yes. Yeah, puppy, puppy, puppy. Oh, oh, puppy, puppy, puppy. You like the bed I picked out for you? Take that as a yes. Oh. We just tried to feed him for the first time by putting it in the crate, and he wasn't that hungry. Were you? You just winked at me. Yeah, you like your pet couch. I like it too. I don't blame you. Pretty comfy. Bless you, Gab. Gabby, what do you think about him? Is that it? Do you like him? Let him dig. It's so fun.
No, because I don't want my Jamaica blanket torn up.
Good boy. Come on, Bo. Come on. Do you like being under the chair? He just went pee-pee. He's really good at peeing outside, but he has not pooped all day because he won't eat his food all the way because he's too excited about other things. So we're just gonna wait till tomorrow to finish feeding him. I'll feed him again, I guess. Yeah, I'm a little not excited for bedtime because we put him in the cage for 2 minutes with the door closed and he was screeching as loud as possible, and I don't want to have to try to sleep to that. I wish he could just sleep in my bed already, but I don't want him to suicide dive off of it. Because he already did that today. He took a nap on my belly, and then I woke up to a thud, and he was on the ground. I'm like, oh. Hi, Bo. Fluffy butt. Oh, fluffy butt.